everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making Halva Spread, which is a traditional Moroccan spread. The ingredients that we're using are Celtic sea salt, tahini, vanilla extract, honey, and honey white bread. Uh-oh. The items that we're using are my signature big cutting board, a bowl to mix it, a plate, a spoon, and a half a teaspoon. One last thing. In the trash can. Grabbing our bowl, popping off the tahini lid, and pouring it in.